So we were in the middle of our vise build when I realized that the handles to this should not be painted and they really should be polished. And the bench grinders that I've had in the past I no longer own, so it was time to pick out a bench grinder. So I wanted to open this up for you guys. And the reason, let me back up a minute. The reason that we're gonna be using a bench grinder is we're actually gonna be putting some polishing wheels on this in order to polish the steel up. So that's the reason that we needed a bench grinder. So I bought this one is a Delta. I bought it at Lowe's. I wanna say it was 149 bucks, something like that. But I wanted something that's gonna last a while, and I also wanted something that can be used in multiple different areas. This is a 6-inch, but I kind of wanted to open this up and show you everything that it comes with, and then we'll do a long-term review on it as well. Once we've had it some time and can really test it out and put some hours on it and things like that. So let's get into opening this thing up. All right, so we've got the owner's manual. These are probably the brackets for the stabilization or the plates that go underneath the wheel. It's our water tray and diamond grinder. That basically squares up the wheel. I'll show you guys how this works in a future video. Some more brackets. Some more brackets. These are the plastic guards that are basically like the, eye protectors. This is the safety stuff. And we've got the bench grinder itself. And that's it in the box. So this thing's got some plastic on it. We'll pull that off. To me, it really looks like this is a pretty standard bench grinder. I've had a quarter cable bench grinder in the past, and it was set up almost identical. I wouldn't even be surprised if they have a similar manufacturer. That's how a lot of stuff goes these days. But power cord, probably have about a somewhere between a 4 and probably 5 foot power cord. Looks like it does not come with a bulb, so we'll be putting an LED bulb in there. Kind of helps to light things up. This is the diamond tool that you square up the wheels with. Like I said, I'll do a future video on what that's used for. There's actually a clip for it in the back as well. Here's a coolant tray. You kind of snap that on the front there, and that can be used to basically add water to, and then you can dip your parts in there to cool them down, whatever it is that you're using. But it looks like we've got the side guards on already. We're gonna be taking these off and putting the polishing wheels on. And then as far as these stands, or these brackets for the rests, I will be putting them on eventually, but we're gonna wait to put those on until we're done with all the polishing. So I'll do a video on how to put all of those on as well. If you guys are interested, I'll link it in the video. But I just wanted to kind of give you my first impression, first thoughts. It looks like it's fairly well made. I'm pretty excited. We'll plug it in real quick and see how it sounds. I mean, it sounds pretty good. No, these wheels haven't been balanced or even touched. You guys have basically seen everything that's been done here, but sounds pretty good. Not a ton of vibration in it, so I'm pretty excited to start using it. And we'll have some future videos on this as time goes on. I want to use it and put some hours on it and give you guys some feedback on it later on, but pretty excited for this. The stones seem to be pretty good quality. And I'll put a link in the description or details on the purchase price and all that kind of thing. And let me know if you guys have any comments, questions on this video, leave them down below. And thanks again for watching Bubbas Fabrication.